Right, urban truck, Land Rover Defender. It's the 90, so it's the short wheelbase. Under the bonnet it's carrying a 2.2 litre engine, turbo diesel. I've had that fucked about with and chipped and done all sorts of stuff. It's kicking out 170 brake horse. It's features. You're looking at the Brick Park winch. It's a 5-ton winch. We're pulling out of out. Especially got it for our last pulling out of ditches. Saves me a fortune. 18-inch wheels, knobbly tyres, which are the Cooper Discoverers AT3s. Side steps. Had the wheel arches done because the tyres are that wide. Side steps I've mentioned. It's in Santori black. All the lights have been done. It's all LED lights at the back, which make it look good. I think we've just about touched on everything. You know, it's a fantastic thing. Suspension wise, it's had new checkers put on it, anti-roll bars. Suspension's been uprated to give it all an harder feel when it's bobbing along. We've got the LED lights again. We've got the super halogen headlights at the front, the Xenons. They're fantastic. What else has it had done on it? Obviously the checker plate kit, all the vents, checker plate at sills. Same again at this side, checker plate, vented. You go in. She's done. She's got a Momo steering wheel in it. Wants a clean inside actually, but that's me. Had the seats specially made, specially recovered. You normally don't get leather in these. It's got the full climate pack. It's got the heated windscreen, air conditioning, heated seats, just about everything that you could want. All the back's been lined out, all been dampened. Boarded out it back, lined, everything's been done by Defender or by Land Rover. And the other one is, all my windows have been blacked out as well, all my glass apart from front, because that's illegal of course. No, I wouldn't do anything illegal. But that's the last of my toys, the Land Rover Defender.